This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to highlight text on Google Docs. So right here on Google Docs, I have an untitled document open. And what I've done is I've just brought in some random kind of demo text I found on the web just for the purposes of this demo video. So you want to highlight some text on Google Docs. You have your Google Doc open. You will highlight the string of text. So whether it's a sentence, whether it's a word, or a number of words, you highlight what you want to actually highlight. So what we've done here is we've just dragged over and covered this text. Now what we will do is come up to the top and we have highlight color. So you'll see that we've got the usual options for bold and italic in the toolbar. The one you want is this little sort of pen icon for highlight. We will click that. Now we select a color. So if you wanted like a luminous yellow, classic highlight color, you will click there, and just like that your text is highlighted. If you wanted to do a whole paragraph, we can do that. We can choose a different color as well if we want to. So again, I've clicked on that highlight tool. Maybe we want it in blue. We've highlighted that in blue. Obviously that's quite hard to read, so you can change the color of the text as well just by going text color. Let's make that white, so you have that option as well. And of course you can do that with this this yellow one right here. So I'm clicking text color and white. Well, you can't actually see it there, so we'll go back to undo. But that is how you will highlight text in Google Docs. If you just wanted to do a section, let's say you just wanted to do a couple of words here, you can do the same thing. Let's go with like a light green. So whatever color you want, you can select it right there. That was a very short, straightforward video, no fluff, on how to highlight text in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like